Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove watermark in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will share that. Now going to the remove watermark. Now going to the design menu option. Now for click, then click for the watermark option. Then click for the custom watermark. Now click for the no watermark option. Then click for the OK. That's it. Then it show remove watermark in Microsoft Word. Then again, then apply the same process. Now going to the design menu option. Now click for the watermark option. Then click for the custom watermark. Now click for the no watermark option. Now click for OK. That's it. Then I show remove watermark in Microsoft Word is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.